All right, guys, deep dive into ADA real quick. We are looking at the descending resistance on ADA. This is going to be a powerful spot where we're either going to break up and we're going to hit $1, which is easily the next descending resistance, which we can see from this structure over here. Let's give ourselves a prediction of when we can hit this and how strong the chance is of actually hitting this. I'm going to actually mix our metrics together today. I want to start with Bitcoin right now. Take a look at this. The long trades on Bitcoin are continually increasing. This is the fastest increase of long trades I've ever seen for Bitcoin. At the same time, short trades are drastically dropping down. And even yesterday where they dropped down here, they are continuing to drop today for Bitcoin. Also, if we look down here at the market cap for Bitcoin, market cap is continuing to rise here. That means institutions and whales are buying. Guys, do you think a pump is coming? I do. This has been down here for too long in the consolidation mode for ADA that I think we're going to start seeing a pump. Let's go over here and we're going to take a look at the AVA Cardano Metrics. Come down here and go to Cardano. Let's take a look at this real quick, guys. First, before we start, we're sitting at 110 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a crypto trade. The links in the description as well as pinned to the comment of this YouTube video has links to join us on our membership over here. I'll make this very fast. I'll fly through it. I've got Grammarly up, so it's tagging words here. Pricing, guys, $95 a month. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube. We've never lost a trade. You get access to all the metrics. You might see us now posting in YouTube Shorts as well as on TikTok and Instagram, so we're getting heavily into that. Masterclass just got updated today of how to use the indicators to maximize your profit, and we'll go live in Zoom next month as a family together. So don't miss that. Those links are in the description. Without further ado, guys, let's dive in. I want to open up Cardano here and give us an idea of what's going on. We see mostly retail trader indicators here are starting to push even bullish. We're above the 50 moving average. This is a bullish sign. Price versus money flow down here and trend exhaustion. Let's look at this and open this up a little bit further so we can see what's happening over here with these two indicators. We can see that when we're starting to push down even into the lower red section here, lower red section, money flow is low, money flow is low. You guys actually know the last time I came out here and did an ADA video, I called a long trade for you guys for a scalping position of 3 to 4%. Do you guys remember that? If you guys are following the actual masterclass, I showed you how to scalp. You guys were looking for a 3 to 4% profit or to a gain right around this area. You guys just wait a little bit longer. Most likely you guys are going to hit that. You guys got in right about this area and you're currently sitting about 2.2 at the moment. 2.2, maybe close to about 1.85. No doubts you guys are going to hit that very soon. Okay. So what we're using these for is when trend exhaustion is high like this and we see money flow high, we do need to be watching what has happened in the past when this pattern presents itself. Well, last time we dropped like a rock, okay? And then we see trend exhaustion in the top red section here, top red section here. Let's not cheat. Let's not cherry pick. Let's go straight up on the chart. Where was that? It called the drop there in the market before it dropped. It called this massive drop as well before it happened. It called this drop before it happened, guys. The amount of money my short traders are making right now using these indicators, even you guys going long, grabbing these positions for this possible bull run up, everybody is like printing money right now, especially on shorts if you guys are using these indicators. Trend exhaustion high, money flow high, trend exhaustion high, money flow high. What are you guys doing around these areas? You're looking for the drop back down. You're looking for the drop back down. These two are the most accurate indicators to call drops and pumps before they happen. They are 84% off in the description, guys, and we have never had them cheaper than this. Let me say this again. I keep getting my words mixed up. The sale we have going on right now is our Black Friday sale that we ran last year. We will never have our indicators discounted more than they are today. So you guys go ahead and snag these in the description, but we're using these to call exits on all of our trades, which we've won 110 in a row for, and we're using these to scalp the markets. If you guys want to know how to scalp the markets, literally from someone who's never lost a trade, sign up for the membership, go to Masterclass Videos, scroll all the way down and watch Masterclass 7 of how to scalp with the indicators. And then after that, treat yourself to Masterclass 8 where I literally show you guys how to predict trend reversals with the indicators. Such an incredible amount of money to be made with those two videos. Watch that under the Masterclasses. Okay, let's continue down here with the metrics to look at ADA today. Let's come here and let's move down. Short trades are increasing. Okay, let's talk about this. Yes, short trades are decreasing on Bitcoin, but short trades are increasing on Cardano. All right, what's going on here? This makes sense because trend exhaustion is high, money flow is high. We have roughly about, I know this is quite a bit of a gap, but based off people I know who we trade with, We probably have about $20 to $30 million of people trading with our system. So I wouldn't doubt if you start seeing people in the market here, they see the trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, and shorts are increased. So this is a spot we're probably going to look for a move back down. But hold on. Don't just think this is like a drop here, because you need to look at more metrics here as we go down, because this could be a short squeeze in the making, and that's what could push us up very quickly to $1. And if that happens, guys, we're looking at an increase from right now to $1, looking right at about a 23% increase. Okay, 23% increase. Let's keep this on the chart. I want to keep it there. Market cap for ADA is dropping out like crazy. That is something we all know because we're looking at these metrics every day. People are getting rid of Cardano. Smart contracts are here, though. You guys, I'm seeing more videos on YouTube and people doing good analysis of like Cardano could explode this year. And it's just one of these moments, guys. Let me show this to you. Do you guys know this? Let me come over here. If you go to 88 and you look at what's happened in the past when we've been down to this dollar mark, we're actually below this right now. We've had a 193% pump, a 46% pump, a 71%, an 83%, and a 137% pump. Do you guys think I'm still bullish on this? Yes, I absolutely am. It is actually my number 2 highest holding over here for Cardano. Give it a second, load it right here. Cardano, my number 2 holding, 17%. Yes, I still got $25,000 in cash to buy the dip in case the crypto market drops down, but we're doing very well. Healthiest account we can find on YouTube with these buy limits. We've been trading all the way through the bear market and the bull market. Okay, moving down here. Trades in favor is pushing into the neutral section here, but if we start heading any further, this is a great place to look to buy this when this starts coming back down. My scalpers, when this gets down to the bottom red section and well money flows low, guys, I would look to pick up another entry for a long trade and scalp for 3 to 4%. Here's something else I'm seeing. Wells institutions are continuing to buy this dip. They are continuing to buy. You know what? When you're in consolidation, you can technically go either way, buying or selling. Is that true or not? Like that is true. Okay, I'll just tell you this. It is true. But overall, what we're seeing here is we're seeing long trades increase. My theory behind this is that people are using Bitcoin as a gauge right now, and market cap on Bitcoin is exploding. Like by the millions and millions and millions per day, it is going up. And short trades have fallen out, and short trades are scared to place their market orders or their limit orders in there for shorts because they think the market's going to go back up. That is why shorts drop. If they're convinced that the market's going to drop, they increase their shorts. All right. Well, institutional smart money following Bitcoin on that market cap, and this, I believe, is a precursor for a move back up. Do you guys just see this ridiculous descending triangle pattern right here? This is the most bullish pattern that I can find, maybe other than a reverse head and shoulders pattern. This thing can absolutely explode. I hope you have money in the market. Okay, support resistance prices. If we go up, the strongest resistance is at this dollar. This is $1.01. Okay. Not only does that correlate pretty good to structure high here, but it's exactly where we could head up to this descending resistance. It's the descending channel of a resistance. Now, this is basically what's called like an open channel. So it's an open descending channel. Once you start breaking into this open channel, you will target descending resistances, the next strongest one, which is exactly at $1. And I wouldn't doubt if by next week we could see this at $1 because Bitcoin is looking very strong right now from a market cap, and Wells are seriously buying Bitcoin up like crazy. Look at this dollar cost entry, guys. For those of you who have this metric, great job. You're holding this for 5 to 10 years. You're doing well. Exit point did come down here, and we saw this when it started pushing up here. And if you guys, if you watch this, let me get in over here. You guys aren't able to see that. I'm not even able to see it. When this came out over here, this was looking at this little drop down right here. Not a big one, but it's still looking at price structure for that drop. Let's also watch this because, yes, we have trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, so we could be seeing short traders come into the market. But what I think is going to happen here, based off how strong Bitcoin is if short traders come into the market and this thing starts moving up, it will short squeeze short traders, and $1 here we come by next week. I absolutely think that's possible here. Let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup for Cardano right now, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing and what we've done to win 110 trades in a row. Show this to you on Bitcoin. Scroll all the way down to the bottom here, and let's dive in. Pretend this is ADA. The same principle applies. You're going to have 4 yellow lines, which resembles 4 different buy limits and 1 sell limit, okay? You're going to take, let's say, $1,000, for example. Split that into 4 equal portions, $250. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. They're on the website, so you guys can access it. That's not it, obviously, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit. So, for example, for Bitcoin, that would be up here. For ADA, I believe it's right around this area, okay? So Once you guys do that, you are now going to be able to get tagged into a trade. So if we go up, you make money. But here's the thing that people don't, well, let me just say it another way. This is why people love our strategy. If the market goes down, your break-even entry goes down as well. So if you hit your third buy limit, your break-even entry moves down even further. So this is the only strategy, and let me prove it to you over here because I'm in this trade with hundreds of you guys right now. The only strategy where we got in up here, as we hit more buy limits, our break-even entry moved back down. We have saved ourselves, look at this, this is insane. We have saved ourselves from our entry, instead of FOMOing in, we have saved ourselves about 30%, literally almost exactly 29.99%. We've saved ourselves from not having to get back into the profit. There are others who got in here and they got into these, obviously these higher marks up here, and they're down probably close to about, I think I calculated about 60 to 70% they're down right now. 72.28%, getting in close to the high. That is why people trade our strategy, because we keep our accounts very safe in a bear market, and we are going to be the first accounts in profit once we start heading back up. So guys, snag a membership over here. Join me in Telegram because I will be calling the next exit for all of our coins, and Avalanche is most likely going to be our next win, as well as Mana and Polygon. So make sure you guys are watching that. There'll be 111, 12, and 13 wins. Okay, last but not least, the indicator sell we've got going on literally is like a Black Friday sale we've got running right now. We will never have these indicators lower than this. It will never be lower than this, just so you guys know. It is 84% off today. You guys are going to use coupon code MARCH. So click this link on the checkout, use coupon code MARCH, all right? Makes it a little bit bigger here. Once you guys enter that coupon code, you will get access to all of our indicators. All 9 of them, not just the 3 that I use on the videos. These are the 3 that I use right here. You'll get access to all 9. These are 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded before on TradingView. They are very powerful. This guy is known as the jackpot indicator. If you guys ever use that, you'll understand why. Watch the videos to all these. So guys, best deal today is the bundle pack. I linked it in the description. Just don't forget to use coupon code MARCH at checkout today, and you guys will be able to get that off. So this is going to be ending at the end of this month, 3/31. So you guys have 15 days left. Snag that, guys. This is what we're using to never lose a crypto trade so far, and I don't see us losing them in the future because we have such good risk management. So guys, watch ADA for a pump up next week. The target is $1. It is literally exactly at $1 for next week if we start pumping up here. So watch this strongly. Watch the metrics over today in the next few days. I won't be doing another video on AVA for a little while. Come down to Cardano. If we start seeing, here's the precursor. I'll leave you with this. Here it is. You ready? If market cap starts to increase drastically on Cardano, which it has already done on AVAX, millions of dollars are flowing into AVX right now. If this green line increases and price structure either goes sideways or down, this is incredibly, incredibly bullish. Watch this, guys, because this could be a precursor that we've all been waiting for Cardano. Market cap increasing is what we need to be watching, as well as long trades to increase and short trades decrease. Any type of crossover like that, guys, get ready for the pump. All right, get these metrics in the description over here, as well as the indicators. Set them up, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Congrats. We're going to target 120 wins for 120 in the month of March. Let's see if we can do it, but the market is looking bullish. Get everything set up. Indicators in the description. They will never be lower than this again. So snag them, and I'll see you guys later. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.